Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer presenting you weekly horoscope week commencing 28th of December till 3rd of January 2020 for all of you. Going to talk about Gemini. Gemini transit a moon in 12th house, 26th December till 29th December. Transit a moon in 12th house. When the moon is transit in 12th house, when the moon is transit 12th house signifies financial loss. When the moon is transit 12th house, this particular period sees your finances going through the rough phase. When the moon is transit 12th house, expenses can be sky high. Take care of your valuable items and assets. When the moon is transit 12th house, expenses can be sky high and you might be susceptible to losing something valuable, something very precious by cheating, deception, fraud or theft, or you lose something very precious. Yes. Avoid doing anything that will create the biggest financial burden for you, especially when the moon is transiting in the 12th house. At that time, be careful with your undertaking. You may not get the desired result of your investment. When the moon is transit 12th house, health needs attention. Take care of your eyesight. You're susceptible to infection, particularly in this phase of time. Mentally, you become restless and distressed. When the moon is transiting in 12th house, you're likely to develop letharginess, jealousy, negative mentality. When the moon is transiting in 12th house, be careful with your decisions and choices while dealing with people. You become over-impulsive in your behavior during this phase of time. Think before going forward with your plan. You may indulge in doing unjust deed, get carried away with your power or position of authority. When the moon is transit 12th house, on the home front, be careful with your relationship. You may develop unnecessary enmity with the people around you. You may have to take care of yourself, maintaining respect and honor in society, especially when the moon is in the 12th house. You have to be extra careful about your conduct, financial conduct, professional conduct, as well as personal conduct. At the same time, you should not allow third party to interfere in your business. When the moon is transiting 12th house, that time, please. Transit a moon for Gemini in 1st house, 29 December till 21st December 2020. Transit a moon in 1st house. Transit a moon in 1st house. When the moon is transit in 1st house, this period ensures you get the excellent result in a most convenient way. You'll enjoy comfort, luxuries, lifestyles, companionship, friendship, support, guidance, sympathy, love, affection, care. You're enjoying thoroughly, and you'll be mentally, physically, emotionally satisfied. Companions are there, best friends are there, support you, guide you. Personal life will also get a happy boost. Professional life will also get a happy boost when the moon is transiting in the 1st house, with a great improvement in your circumstances. Love in the air. Overall, you'll be happy when the moon is transiting in the 1st house. Good fortune will come to you. You'll experience appreciation from your own people at workplace, and you feel honored when the moon is transiting in the 1st house. This could termed as hassle-free time for you, for your family. You'll be out of any misery, of any health issues. When the moon is transiting in the 1st house, a feeling of tranquility will give you contentment. Try not to become too sensitive in your feeling. What is good for you? What is not good for you? This particular period could be signify good days financially. You might be able to recover some old dues, attaining financial goal, achieving progression in your undertaking. When the moon is transiting in the 1st house. Transit a moon for Gemini in 2nd house, 31st December 2020 till 2nd January 2021. Wish you a very happy new year to all of you. Best of luck. Transit a moon in 2nd house. When the moon is transiting 2nd house, at that time, when the moon is transiting in 2nd house, be careful with your finances. There's a tendency to lose money if you're not very careful. When the moon is transiting in 2nd house, keep a close eye on your expenditure. You will be tempted to spend money unnecessarily. You will be tempted to invest money unnecessarily. Be extra careful when you're dealing or mingling with people around you. Don't take every pokey pie people are saying to you will work for you. No. People can make any statement, but that doesn't mean that all the statements are ultimately universal truth. The answer is no. If you're taking every literally word, if somebody raising your hopes and telling you pokey and telling you a shortcut to success, don't believe it. Please. You can never replace hard work and time. You want to achieve success, you have to invest hard work and time. And when you realize, you end up fighting with these kind of people. People can cheat you, fraud your time, fraud your money, and run away with your hard-earning money. You have to guard your negative mentality, which you can act out of frustration, negative mentality or stress. And that particular action will backfire on your reputation. Don't do that. Obstacles in your workplace are there. When the moon is transiting second house, obstacles in your workplaces come up, but stick on. These are temporary obstacles, not permanent. You have to work hard. You have to invest time. You have to be sincere and honest with yourself. Physically, you feel down and your eyes may create a problem for you during this particular time. Mentally, you feel less content than usual. Moreover, this time period, you're not enjoying anything. You're disappointed and frustrated. But this is a temporary phase, not permanent. Go with the flow if you want to achieve your success. Go with the flow without wasting any time. When the transit of moon in second house, go with the flow. Do the best with your hard work. Invest more time. Listen to the well-wishers, not people who are telling pokey pie. There's no shortcut to success whatsoever. Transit of moon for Gemini in third house, 2nd January 2021 till 5th of January 2021. Wish you a very happy new year to all of you. Transit of moon in third house. When the moon is transiting in third house, you enjoy the achievement of desired goal and success in your undertaking for those few days. When the moon is transiting in third house, with the possibility of some name, fame, recognition for people around you, this particular period brings you joy, good fortune on the monetary front. When the moon is transiting in third house, you could expect a clearance of past dues, attainment of wealth, success in your ventures. When the moon is transiting in third house, on the home front, this period signifies ultimate happiness, harmony. During this time period, you could have the best of everything. Lifestyle, companionship, closeness. You would feel generally very happy whatever comes to you, whatever you have to do. A feeling of satisfaction would rule your mind. Chances are that you make best friend with companion, having a good timing with them. Gemini, in this coming week, you must sort out your Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, Moon, Rahu, Ketu for the prevention of any kind of loss of status, loss of prestige, loss of honor, lack of flow of income, lack of support and guidance. With the help of task, precaution, chanting, you can sort out your planet for the best. You can achieve the best. If you want to achieve complete weekly horoscope report, then visit my website prakashastrologer.com and achieve your best. Many thanks for watching this weekly horoscope. Would you like to know more of what this coming week going to bring for you regarding situations, circumstances, scenarios? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming week regarding your actions, regarding emotions and visions? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming week? Would you like to have some guidance regarding decision choices you're making in this week and how you can overcome and resolve most of your hassles and complications and awkward situation and waste of time in this coming week? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough moon sign weekly horoscope report on video as well as written. Do visit our website prakashastrologer.com because I want you to win in every situation and be self-content and happy.